For years, I struggled with a fridge that was always messy and smelled bad. But eventually, I found a much easier way to keep everything fresh. Today, I'll show you how to organize your fridge without spending any money. No need to buy storage boxes or fancy tools, just use what you already have at home. The steps are super simple and anyone can follow along. Make sure you watch till the end to see how clean and tidy your fridge can get. One of the easiest tricks is using paper grocery bags for vegetables. Just take a paper bag and fold the top down to the height you want. Now it becomes a sturdy open box that fits nicely inside your fridge drawer. These bags are stronger and more flexible than you might think. They can hold quite a lot of produce, and you can pick different sizes depending on how many veggies you have. Since paper bags are light and breathable, they help keep fruits and vegetables fresh while saving space. It's a simple, natural way to store food without special containers. And it also helps keep your fridge more organized. You can group your produce so it's easy to see and grab without making a mess. When you open the fridge, everything looks cleaner and more organized. With just a paper bag, you can save money and keep your kitchen neat every day. Do you have any useful fridge tips? Share them in the comments. I'd love to learn from you. When you open the fridge and see all those bottles of water, milk, and sauces, it just looks really messy. At that point, you can just grab a file organizer rack. Flip it upside down and use it in your fridge. It's great for stacking items vertically, especially in corners. This helps you see everything clearly and fit more items inside. You can also use it to organize milk cartons, canned goods, and similar items. It instantly makes everything look much neater. You're making use of the full height without buying anything new. That way, you save space, it's easier to grab things, and nothing falls over all over the place anymore. All you need is a small curtain rod. Just stick it vertically onto one side of the fridge. Just like that, you have a new mini shelf. It's like you're creating a mini divider inside the fridge. You just need to lay the bottles horizontally and rest them against the bar. And suddenly, they stay in place, no more rolling around. You can even stack multiple layers on top of each other. When you need one, it's super easy to grab too. Just open the fridge and you'll see everything right away, no digging around. What's great is how flexible it is. You can move it, adjust it, or remove it anytime. No tools, no drilling, no damage. Another great idea is to make use of the plastic tray you already have. Put all your sauce bottles into the tray. The tray keeps the bottles standing in place. No more tipping or rolling when you open the fridge. Grab it, then slide it back in, super convenient. If anything spills or leaks, just take the tray out and rinse it, no mess in the fridge. This one's a bit more creative, but super satisfying to use. You can use cable raceways and stick them inside the fridge as sliding rails. Attach 2 strips parallel on both sides, with just enough space to fit yogurt cups in between. Now your yogurt sits right on these rails. When you want one, just pull it out like a mini drawer. No more reaching deep into the fridge. Even the ones in the back are easy to grab. It keeps everything neat and upright, no tipping over. Looks way more organized and kind of professional too. Just a little DIY, but it seriously upgrades your fridge. I'll quickly finish putting the rest of the items into the fridge. If you've made it this far, give it a try, you'll see the difference right away. Honestly, it's just a few small changes, but the impact is way bigger than you'd expect. The fridge looks way cleaner. No more opening it and seeing a mess. Everything has its own spot. Cleaning it is way easier too. The best part is, you're just using things you already have at home. One common issue is tall bottles tipping over easily. Simple fix. Just put a bookend inside the fridge. Use it like a mini divider. Place your tall bottles right up against it. That way, it keeps the bottles upright and prevents them from tipping over. Looks neat and easy to grab. No more domino effect when opening the fridge, a thing you'd normally only see on a study desk. But once you bring it into the fridge, it becomes surprisingly useful. Another useful trick is using clips on the fridge door. Small stuff like snacks or sauce packets always gets lost in the fridge, right? Just clip them so they stay upright and easy to grab. Use a binder clip to hold those small packets together. Then clip it right onto the fridge door. Make use of the fridge door. Super neat and convenient. No need to mix them in with the rest and make a mess anymore. Every time you open the fridge, you see it right away. Super quick to grab. No digging needed. Just a small clip, but it seriously saves all that random stuff in your fridge. Here's another super handy trick. You can use adhesive wall hooks and stick them right onto the fridge door. Then hang snacks, candy, or seasoning packets on them. It's like creating a mini hanging storage area inside the fridge. Small items won't be stuffed everywhere anymore. You can see everything at a glance, nothing gets forgotten. Take a piece of cardboard and cut it to fit your shelf height. You're making full use of the fridge door. The inside feels much more spacious. Such a small trick, but it makes your fridge so much more organized. With just a few simple household items, you can organize your fridge so it looks cleaner, is easier to use, and more convenient every day. Does that make it easier to grab what you need? This keeps bottles and cans neat and easy to find. This simple habit helps reduce waste, save money, and keep your fridge fresh. If your fridge feels too full, try this trick. If you enjoy simple tips like this, don't forget to follow and subscribe. Let's keep making life more organized and stress-free together.